Welcome back to the Tiger Cat Show.
Hey, how's it going? Oh, hey, Susan, how are the kids? Oh, Chad, how's your relationship with Samantha going? Hello, I am Tiger Cat of the very, very famous 70 subscribers YouTube channel, Tiger Cat. And, well, I've been gone for 2 months. Sorry about that. Although, I highly doubt any of you care. I don't think these are real pockets. They're like sewed shut or something. Why would you have fake pockets? But, well, a lot of stuff was happening in the past 2 months, such as my cat and the namesake of the channel almost fucking dying. We're back. Because, oh, well, I still want to do this. But today we're introducing a special new corner of the studio called wait, what's that? People want the continuation of the last story that we were doing, you know, with the stereotypical villain. Oh, what? That was Billy. Yeah, that was supposed... What do you mean kids are crying? I don't know, spit on their dad's graves or something. Make them cry more. Shit. Oh, I think they heard that. Well, we're not going to be continuing whatever the fuck I was thinking about in the last video. Instead, we're going to be introducing the What the Fuck Corner. Welcome to the What the Fuck Corner, where we have whatever the fuck this is. Shit, I can't break it. There we go. Broken. But essentially, in the What the Fuck Corner, we talk about shit like this. And we have worse mic quality. Because we don't have a microphone. We're using the mic from my iPhone. Today we have a special What the Fuck for its first appearance. And that is... Excuse me, what? What are we doing? You guys didn't tell me. Fuck this, I'm out. What the fuck? Nope. You can't legally make me do fucking Sonic fanfictions! Shit! Well, it looks like I'm legally forced to do this. So, yes. Let's hope we find a good one. Oh wait, there's a gun here. I can just use that. Warning, this shit gets very steamy and creamy and just a little bit memey. Oh, and if you're uncomfortable with things, then you should probably go.
Damn it! Not even death can take me away from the... What? Oh no. Oh no! Now, before we get this started, this is not intended for any type of hate towards anyone who writes fanfictions or anything. I just really like making fun of this shit. It was a cold winter day. Shrek sat in his swamp, shivering with the cold, sadness, and fear. He wanted to cry, but as soon as a tear left his shiny green orbs... Wait, his shiny green orbs? What? It froze and shattered on the ground. He was lonely. Shrek was wearing a leather jacket, corset, and fishnet tights with knee-high boots. He had purple lipstick on with his blue eyeliner. As Shrek sat in his lonely home, he hungered for his... What's my cat doing? Oh, he hungered for his true love, Shadow the Hedgehog. He licked his plum-colored lips as he fantasized about his boyfriend. Suddenly, the Umber Hedgehog burst in through the door, wearing his denim shorts and jean jacket. I don't know why that cracks me up so much, but it does. Oh, this is gonna be great. Okay. With his signature shoes, sweat glistened. The hedgehog's forehead, and he was 1,000 pounds of firewood. He immediately fainted in exhaustion, and Shrek was worried. Shrek did not mouth to mouth with the shadow, but did not know was that Shadow didn't actually faint. He wanted to kiss Shrek and surprise him. So he kissed him back passionately as Shadow started the fire with his fire hand ability? What? They both fell onto Shrek's soft carpet. Purple lipstick smeared Shadow's tan muzzle. They finally pulled away from it for air. A single strand of saliva connected them. You want it? Shrek asked seductively while waggling his eyebrows. You know I do, babe, Shadow said sexily. Shrek slowly unbuttoned Shadow's jacket. She wasn't wearing anything under it. Shrek moved a string over her Shadow's six-pack. That was easy because it was lubricated with his soul. He tickled his nipples with his ear and he dragged his tongue between the ridges of his muscles. Shadow moaned and blushed. He was so cute, Shrek thought. And sexy as hell. I feel like I'm gonna vomit. Shrek still teased him as he removed his corset and tied Shadow's eyes like a blindfold. His six-pack reflected the fire and defined his muscles. I'm gonna have to get like a picture of Shadow with muscles. Shadow moaned and excited. His ear twitched after he removed all his clothes, revealing his stone-hard oak to the air, and successfully bound Shadow to the ground. He playfully teased Shadow and pretended to struggle with his button Shadow's pants. He could see his hard, quick port threading under the fabric. He couldn't take it under anymore. He ripped off and Oh my god! Oh no! No, I'm not reading that. Shadow cried in surprise and pleasure as he ripped off the blindfold so Shadow could easily see. Oh no! Oh, Shrek. Shrek. Oh, Shrek. Yes. Fuck yes. Shadow King. No. Shadow moaned and... Oh, no. Thanks, baby. I needed that. Shrek said, "It's not over yet." I can't take anymore. I can't take anymore. Oh, Shrek. To be continued. I'm done. I can't do it. Oh. Oh my god. What the fuck did I just read? That was so funny. Oh my god. I probably censored out like the worst stuff. Like I didn't read some bits because it was just too much. Oh my god. I have to make another one of these. There's no choice. I have to make another one. I have to make another video where I just read Sonic fan fiction. Or, you know, I need to do something like that again. Until next time. Die!
Why did I make that? It is awesome! But this piece of shit